For look number 1, I'm wearing an express kimono, layering piece from Amazon. I will link those below. They come in many colors. The pants are from Natural Life, my Gucci rubber heels, and my bag is from Prada. For look number 2, totally different look, but I exchanged 2 key pieces. I exchanged the kimono for a white denim jacket from Walmart. I changed my shoes to the Gucci pearl slides. Totally different look. Bam. Look number 3, everything you see is from Walmart as far as clothing goes. The pants are from Walmart, the Jordache tank is from Walmart, and I'm wearing the same white denim from Walmart. I'm wearing Steve Madden slides and also a Louis Vuitton bum bag. For this easy breezy look, I'm wearing all white, the top from Walmart, the pants are from Natural Life, the Gucci slides, and again, my Louis Vuitton bum bag. Bam, baby. This is my favorite look out of all of the looks. The overalls are from Walmart. The top is Patty Boutique. I ordered from Amazon. The bag is Tory Burch. Loving that bag, the Fleming bag. And the shoes are Corks. I'm loving the 70s styles clogs, and I got them from Nordstrom Rack. This is another one of my favorite looks. The top is the same top that I had on with the overalls in black, Patty Boutique from Amazon, Tory Burch belt, Louis Vuitton Alma BB handbag. The pants are from Walmart and the shoes are from Tory Burch. In this look, I'm wearing the same Patty Boutique top, my Louis Vuitton Felicie Pochette in the monogram. I'm not sure where I got this skirt. I've had it forever. And I'm wearing my Gucci Bloom slides. So again, with this look, I wanted to show you how changing a few key pieces can totally change a look. The same skirt, same top. I paired it with a Rebecca Minkoff clutch and Gucci Marmont suede slides. I think this look is a little sleeker, just a little dressier. Sorry for that outburst, guys. Keith was making a few gestures you don't want to know. Okay, for this look, I love it. It is one of my favorite dresses by Free People. The bag I'm carrying, I've had it for probably 20 years. Love this little bag, and I'm wearing some Tory Burch Miller slides. Love those, super comfortable. This is a great look for summertime.
Start marching.
I think I might have to fire my camera guy. Okay, guys, so for the final look, this is just a little, actually, it's a swimsuit cover-up. I got it from Walmart. I use it all different ways. I use it as a top. I use it as a dress. I wear it over my swimsuit, and I wear it as a kimono. The little bag I'm carrying is Thacker. Love the Thacker bags. I have 3 of those. If I can find them, I will link them for you. I'm wearing the Tory Burch Miller slides. I'm wearing a denim skirt from Walmart, and again, a layering piece from Amazon. They come in many colors.